In order to combine in series the Prismaflex device with the Jafron HA cartridges with the HA380, you need a specific holder to keep the HA cartridge vertically on the device, plus an HA380 with its tubing set. Then you need the Prismaflex set, and finally 3 liters of saline solution with or without heparin if the citrate anticoagulation mode is used like here in CVV HD mode. If you use heparin anticoagulation mode, add heparin units in the saline solution as expressed in the IFU. After priming the HA cartridge by gravity with 3 liters of saline solution with or without heparin, you need to connect the line of the Prisma set in post-filter position. Just follow this way. Firstly, remove the blue clamps. Open the red clamps. Leave the white clamps closed. Follow the red line. Open the clamps before the cartridge. Open the blue clamps on the line's cartridge. And finally, open the blue clamp on the line. Then, here you can see how the blood is circulating in both systems by removing the last 2 clamps. Just to summarize, the blood is coming from the top of the hemofilter, entering in the line, as showed, then in the Jafron cartridge from the bottom side and going up inside and getting out from the cartridge, and finally entering the venous line of the Prisma set. Here, unlike the CRRT device, the HA cartridge is placed in post-filter position. Now, you are in CVVH plus hemoperfusion treatment.